We got you. It looks good.
There we go. All right, so we'll start out there. All right, so we wanted to go through our problem statement. So often you have negotiated pricing with distributors and you don't see those values coming through in PromoStandards with standard API calls. So we wanted to build a tool that was going to use those negotiated rates and compare it against net rates, so that if you were taking in orders and things like that, that you weren't selling for below, the negotiated price and things like that. So we looked at this and it goes out and we've got a list of products that just exist in JSON data right now, but it could be, going against your ERP system or website data. And then we go out and we compare that against the PromoStandards using the net pricing and the customer pricing. And we show some product data and then the pricing and configuration to get all of those things. And again, we take the SOAP data, throw it into JSON, and use it there through our web-based tool. So we've got that there. And then this is our tool. So in here, we go out, we've got some JSON data that has all the endpoint information for our different suppliers. And then we've got another JSON file that has all of our different SKU information in it. So we can go here and it's going out in real time and it's grabbing the net price, the customer price, and then we're showing the status here on our report. And we go out and we grab the product name, the SKU, the image from product information. And then again, pricing information is coming from price and configuration. And we could also go here and clear it out and we can look for one product at a time and pull that up and see all of our information. So it's a very robust tool and it works very, very quickly to show us with the status colors of what has correct pricing and what does not. So we look at this and we think about it as a broader tool in the future where it could perhaps be a contract manager. So it could be an online tool to manage all prices and contracts between buyers and sellers. Everything can be securely viewed. And then this could be used either as a seller or a buyer or a supplier tool to ensure that pricing information is going to be correct. That is it.
All right, so we're going to fire some questions at you. Okay. So I guess back to your problem statement. So you're trying to solve, so for those, some background history for the judges. PromoStandards returns 3 types of pricing: distributor, the catalog pricing, the net version of that, and then the customer pricing if there's any customer specific pricing. So those 3 are all supported within PromoStandards. So your goal here is to, so let's look at this, your correct response here. What are you, what classifies it as correct versus incorrect?
So we have a stored price in our system of the $52.08, and that's what we're comparing it against. So we've got some JSON data that has our specific SKUs and our discounted rate in it, what we're expecting to pay. And then what we're doing is going out and grabbing the net rate and the customer rate and comparing against that to make sure that our ERP is correct.
So Erica's asking a question here in the chat. Are you making 2 calls for PNC, one for the list and another for the customer? I think she went to PC.
Yep.
Okay. Any other questions anybody wants to fire into the chat while we're here? All right, Bob Barker, Giggity, it's good job. I like the, I think it's an important piece of the industry of trying the whole price validation and price verification. It's something I think we tend to struggle with industry-wide of what is the actual price we're charging for things. So
definitely.
That's a good one.